If you guys knew how to make pasta right now, you wouldn't be here. So let me show you how to make it real quick. Today we're gonna make a 3 cheese tortellini alfredo. And it's a pretty simple dish, so there should be no problem. It's gonna consist of the ingredients we have here on this board. We have our cream, garlic, shallots, our tortellini, butter, Parmesan, salt and pepper, and then we're gonna use parsley for garnish. So now I'm gonna show you how to make the 3 cheese tortellini alfredo. So first we're gonna start off with our butter and get it to melt down and evenly coat the surface. You want it to be fully melted, not quite brown, but melted enough. At this point we can add the garlic, get it everywhere. And you're gonna wanna mix it around and make sure that it's getting evenly cooked until it's aromatic. And at that point, you're gonna wanna grab your shallots and toss them in as well. And you wanna do your best to ensure that the garlic and the shallots don't brown. It'll give it a more pungent, stronger flavor. You wanna bring that heat down a little bit. We're gonna take our tortellini, put it in the water just for a few minutes, and our cream. And we're just gonna toss a good amount in there. And then get that mixing. And we want at this point to simmer it as close as we can just so it mixes and emulsifies together. We'll grab our Parmesan and then we'll just sort of try not to drop any cheese, but slowly add it in while mixing, while watching your tortellini so that you can get it at the right point, and that's about when they start floating. So once that cheese is in, we want to continue mixing and grab the tortellini, drain the water, and toss them in there. And at this point, we want to just mix it around and turn it up to a simmer. Get all the cream around. And again, it's 3 cheeses, so we want to make sure it's creamy as well. And at this point, you're gonna take your salt and pepper. It's really up to you, but I like to do a decent amount, so I will spread that around and make sure it's well incorporated and mixing. Look at that, creamy, cheesy, gooey goodness. And it only took a few minutes. So now we're gonna plate it up. And look at all that creamy goodness. And then you'll top it off with some of your parsley. And voila, now we taste it. And that's how you do a 3 cheese tortellini alfredo. That is delicious, super quick and easy. I mean, you can make it in big, small quantities, really whatever. But now you know how to make it. And thank you for watching again. And make sure to follow all our social medias so that you can keep up with everything we're doing here at the restaurant. And make sure to share with us whenever you make these dishes as well. We'd love to see it. And if you would like to make a reservation here at the restaurant, just go down to that link in the bottom, click it, and you're all set.